So here we have the gorgeous Julia, who I get to play with her long, luscious hair. I want to show you 3 different techniques with our Express Ion WavePress to give you that perfect defined wave, some undone mermaid texture, or some volume for the great setup for any up style. With Julia's hair, she has it on the little bit finer side. With the 5 settings, I can choose the perfect heat setting for her. I'm going to choose around 320. So depending on density, Julia is a little bit finer, so I can do it in 2 subsections. Hot off the press, always got to protect that hair with any type of thermal styling. So again, I'm using just the 320 heat setting here on Julia because she has finer hair, but we have 5 heat settings for fine, medium to super coarse hair. So to get the most defined wave, I'm laying the hair where it lives and placing that into our Express Ion Wave Plus. Try not to lift it so much, using that enclosed double barrel to give me that perfect defined design. As you can see, with the ceramic plate, we get that even heat with maximum shine, ensuring long-lasting waves. Now I'm going to show you a technique to create a softer mermaid wave. Hot off the press to protect our hair. Now the key to this is I'm over directing the hair away from where it lives. The more over direction, the softer your wave will be. So here, as you can see, it's definitely way past 100% of where the hair lives. Gliding my Express Ion WavePress on, because of that ceramic plate and even heat, maybe 5 to 7 seconds, depending on your hair density and your heat setting. Notice that I'm not stretching out that section as I'm pressing to make sure that I allow those waves to cool in that formation. It cools down and comes back to where it lives. Get a much more softer mermaid wave compared to a much more defined ripple. And not only is our Express Ion WavePress perfect for that defined ripple or soft wave, I can get a great textural volume to support any up style. Taking a section, and here the key is to elevate as much as possible away from where that hair lives. Gliding my wave press in. As you can see, with that double barrel design and enclosed, it's super safe to use. It's not bulky. There's no exposed surface. You can definitely see the shine from that ceramic plate. And not stretching out that section, making sure that it cools in the formation that I want it to be. Now, as you can see, because I waved it here, you see those undulations, but when it comes back, all you see is texture and volume. 3 different waves, endless possibility.